me and this have a I mean, is he supposed to do that? I don't know. We have a love-hate relationship. So I love it, but I hate it on the same time because it doesn't want to play. So yeah, so we need to go and have some counseling together. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well and safe. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a really good week and ready for a weekend. I be working all weekend, so no fun for me, but I can't complain because I've been off last weekend. Today I want to make some hearts decorations because I want to use this lace. It's not a lace, it's more like a trim. It's like a border that my mum kindly gifted to me when we went to Italy. It's a gorgeous design, and I thought I want to use it with some hearts decoration. I downloaded this from Google, so if you simply Google hearts, what did I say, hearts template or something like that, you get all sorts. And I just printed on A4, so I got different shapes and different sizes. So this one is this one here, so again more like a taller heart. Then I have got those ones here, which is more like a slim heart, which is this one here. Then I got another one which is kind of like the evolution of this one, but even thinner and even taller, is this one here. And then another one which is a proper traditional square sort of heart shape. Okay, so in my head I want this decoration to be really thick. I'll probably do an eyelet so that can be hanged, but also you can use as an embellishment for your cards, for your tags, for your journaling, for your gift, for everything you want. I am using a very old kit from Tracy Fox Creative. So what I already done, I went over with my hearts, so I use as a template, and I kind of like drawed where I wanted to cut. So I've got one here, one there, one here, another one here. Then I've got another slim heart here, a round one here, and a few more in there, 1, 2, and 3. Because I want the hearts, I want them to be very hard, very thick. I am using a cardstock. This is a paper pad, and because it's got a nice finish, what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue the heart on top, and that will be the back of the decoration because it's quite nice. So this will be the back. Okay, so you're not gonna saw me fussy catching them because otherwise you fall asleep. And I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. I'm very missing my video like 10 minutes long. You know, I love making short videos, and I know a lot of you like to watch short videos. So yeah, so it's like win-win. I win, you win, win-win, we win. Right, so let me fussy cut them, and then I will be right back. Okay, before I cut them, just want to give you a little tip. When you do these sort of things, that you cut a simple piece of paper and glue them on a background, for then got to cut it again, I always recommend to leave a little border, because if you do this, when you put your glue and you're going to cut it, you know for a fact that that's not going to peel off. So sometimes when I put, for instance, if this would have been printed and I'm putting there, when I cut it, 99% are either not going to cut straight, B, sometimes it will peel off. If you do this way, leave a little border, press it all down properly, and then when you're going to cut, it's going to cut 100%. So you will have a more sharp finish. So I'm hoping I explained that right. Right, this is what they look like, and I've got 2 more in here, so I'm going to fussy cut them again, and I'll be right back. Okay, so die cut the hearts. I love them. That's my favorite. Gorgeous. And then again, and what I was trying to explain to you, see, if you do that, it's never gonna peel off. So yeah, little tip. Love this. I love them. Now in my head, what I wanted to do, and I will just start trying to experiment it. I want a tiny bit of lace to go on top, and I'm going to leave them like that. Then I'm going to put a little hole in there with a little eyelet, and maybe put some gold, of course, around the not perimeter, around the edge of the heart. So we will just give it that extra detail. So yeah, I want a tiny little piece on each heart in a most random place, because, you know, near, for instance, we've got the roses, we've got the writing, so I want that to kind of cover, because it's a bit like plain. And the reason why I chose this kit, because in this kit there's a lot of burgundy, and you know, this lace here is proper, like, I know on camera it looks more like a wine color, but in real life it's very deep, intense burgundy. So I'm going to have a little play with these. Now when you do this sort of project with fabric, I recommend spray adhesive, because you know that you're going to spray and the fabric will remain attached to the heart, to the paper. Unfortunately, I don't have any spray adhesive, so the glue we've got to do, they're not going to be 100% finish, like right, they're not going to be like 100% perfect, but that doesn't bother me, because I just want that sort of look to be like that. So I'll have a little play, and I'll be right back and then see what you guys think. Okay guys, done, finished, finito. Love them, love them, love them. Let me show you one by one. So in fact, gonna zoom in as well. Okay, so that's one. I love them. What do you guys think? And I put Bio Gold, of course, and a like eyelet. Now me and this have a love, I mean, is it supposed to do that? I don't know. We have a love-hate relationship. So I love it, but I hate it on the same time, because it doesn't want to play. So yeah, so we need to go and have some counseling together, because it's just, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I mean, on here I even managed to do a square one. I don't know how. Anyway, it's part of the game, I guess. So next, this one here, love it. They're quite similar, but yet everyone is so unique. Okay, I mean, it's still wet here, hence why it's a bit dark, because you can see probably the glue in there. But once they dry, I bet they're gonna look really, really nice. Okay, again, you can hang them, or you can use it as a ephemera, you can use it as a tag, and the back is just plain. Okay, love them. I must admit, guys, I do prefer the tall and slim, so I prefer these over them, and I don't know why. So that's that. I've got a few more. Now on here I left it without the eyelets, see what, because I wanted to show you the difference. So that's with the eyelet, although those two are very, very similar. That's with the eyelet, that's with the eyelet, that's without the eyelet, and that's without the eyelet, and that is with the eyelet. Again, they're very, very similar, so I just think with the eyelet it just got more like a finishing look. And 2 more, one there and one there. Okay, right guys, I hope you like them. I really do. I think they're going to look amazing, or like a burgundy or gold journal, and also as a little hanging decorations as well, to put on your in your craft room, or as a bookmark. You can use them for craft, for card making as well. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a burgundy thumbs up, because that will support the channel and the video. and I hope I give you some inspiration. Don't forget, it's Friday, so you get a freebie straight to your email address. If you're not subscribed to my newsletter, please have a look in the info box. You get the freebie straight to the newsletter, and also on my Facebook group. I share that every Friday with no excuse. So it's building up a really good collection, actually, of freebie. So yeah, guys, thank you ever so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next time, stay safe and well.